friends. Today is 6th of May 2024, and this is Sandeep. I came here in December 2023 to be precise. I came here in India from India on 15th of December, and my journey started that day. I started looking for jobs and contacting people I knew, and everybody who I contacted told me that it's winter and the job market is very slow. So there is a less chance that you will secure a job in within 1 or 2 months, and you need to apply online or go through the resume dropping process in the stores. And that time I lost all the hopes, and people were demotivating me. The temperature and the climate here was also very cold, and so it was very depressing. And then I started applying for jobs at LinkedIn through company websites, career sections, and started dropping resumes. So the fourth day, I received a call from Tim Hortons, and I got an interview call for the very next day. I selected the first slot and went there for my interviews. So I had an interview for on 20th of December, just after 5 days in landing in Canada, and there I got a job as front end staff. So from that day onwards, I started getting 20 hours or 24, 23, sometimes 16. I started my first shift on 6th of January because my college was starting at 5th of January. So unfortunately, I had to wait for 15 days because that's when you can start doing part-time jobs. So the thing I want to mention here is people will demotivate you, like in winter intake or Jan intake, you will not be getting jobs easily. I got job in the very first week of my me landing in Canada. So that was just because I started applying to the correct spots. People still ask me, how did you get a job and how did you start working at the first day of your college as well. So since past 5 months I have been working at Tim Hortons. Though I switched my Tim Hortons from one place to another. Earlier I used to work in countryside, and the travel was very hectic, so I started looking for a job. And by God's grace, whenever I looked for job, within 1 week I got a job. And the second place where I got a job was near to my place where I stay, and I got a job there. They told that we want a person who has already worked in Tim Hortons, and I had been working for 3 months there at my previous place, so they gave me job. Only thing they asked me was some references from my past job, so I gave the number of a few of my colleagues, and they contacted them, and they were good to go. So from past 2 months I have been working, and when there was a limit of 40 hours, that time I used to get 26, 28, 30 hours. But now that from this week I'll be getting 20 hours, and I'm not doing any cash job, and I don't want to do that because I want my studies to go through very smoothly. And by God's grace, last semester I had received a Dean's Honor for getting 4 CGPA in my course, that is Business Management at Fanshawe College, London South Campus. So the thing I would like to advise the students who are coming in main take is that you must dress well while you are going to drop the resume, and don't just go into the restaurant or a store and ask like, are you guys hiring, or can I see the manager, or can I see the supervisor. Don't do that. The first thing, you need to go inside the store or the restaurant, then ask like, hi, how are you, how are you doing today, how was your day. And then like, are you guys hiring by any chance? So if they say yes, then you can say, can I have an application form or employment form. They'll give you an employment form. Most of the places have the employment form. If they say they don't have an employment form, you can ask, can I see your manager or supervisor or assistant manager, and you can directly talk to the supervisor or assistant manager. And one more thing, when we come from India, we do know that here the Canadians and even the people who are living in Canadian environment are very sensitive, and they like to hear the words please, sorry, and thank you. So when you ask to see a manager, you don't ask, can I see your manager. You should say, can I please see your manager. And if they say yes, I'll call them. Then you can say that, thank you for the help. And then they'll call the manager, and then you can talk to the manager. Be courteous, and don't be overconfident or underconfident. Be just the way you are. Just talk like you are talking normally, and don't try to copy the accent. You see, I have been in Canada for past 6 months, but I'm not trying to copy the accent. I'm in Indian accent only. And the thing is, you need to apply every day till you get the job. That is the valuable advice I would give you. And one more thing, your references. Some people say that references do count. I agree to them, references count. But here in Canada, everybody is struggling to save their job and get more hours. So nobody is going to help you. Nobody helped me. Not even the contacts from India, from Canada. They all told me that you need to apply yourself. So I applied, and by God's grace and by the luck, I got a job in the first week. I was at the right place at the right time. So you need to apply. Maybe you will be at the right place or the right at the right time in near future, and you will get a job. And last thing that is very important, you must follow up. We drop the resume and then we go like we don't go to that place again, and we think that they'll call us. Don't do that, and follow up. Just like you don't need to follow up thrice a week or twice a week. Just go once a week and ask them, I dropped my resume, like are you guys hiring? I just came to follow up, like are you guys hiring? Then I would like to work for you. I'm available for these many hours, like 20 hours. I'm available for Saturday, Sunday, weekends. They will tell you. And if you go 2-3 times, the person standing at the front counter will start to recognize you, and whenever they have a hiring, they will surely call you. And whenever you see a number flashing in the Canadian numbers, just pick it up and see. Maybe the employer is calling you, and you will get a call from them for interview. And during interview, you must dress well, not formals, but you should wear a shirt, jean, and shoes, not Crocs or t-shirts or round collar t-shirts. That is the very important thing. And even in winters, you need to wear shirt, and over that you can wear a jacket or sweatshirt as you like. But the way you dress, it tells your confidence and the personality that you have. So dress well, keep applying, and by the Almighty's grace, you will get a job soon when you land here. There are so many jobs, but the thing is, you need to apply them, and then you have to follow it. Thank you. So this is me, Sandeep, signing out. Have a nice day and happy job hunting. Thank you.